Well, that's not good. Neither is that. Welcome to the channel. Well, if you've had the misfortune of being here before, welcome back. Today we will be, if all goes to plan, cleaning the DPF filter on this 2016 Tata Xenon 2.2 litre turbocharged intercooled common rail diesel. First of all, we need to remove the temperature sensor from the DPF using a 17mm spanner, like so. Temperature sensor is down in there. Not sure if you can actually see down there, but hopefully it comes off. There we go. So we'll unscrew that. There we go. There is our temperature sensor. Next we will be using some DPF cleaner spray, which comes with this straw that you put on top of the can and feed the straw into the hole where the temperature sensor came out of. I have fed the straw into the hole where we removed the temperature sensor from. We will now empty the contents of the can into the DPF, let it sit for about half an hour, go tidy your sock drawer or bake a cake, whatever. Then we'll come back, put the probe back in and start up the engine. I can see this as I squirt the contents in, it starts coming back out the hole, so we let it settle for a little bit, then put some more in, move the tip of the straw around inside the filter. Just keep doing this until the can is empty. As always, if you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway. If, as always, any advice on this channel is of a general nature only. If you do not feel confident doing this yourself, contact your local qualified automotive repairer. I've only attempted this after watching other YouTube videos on how to do it. Also, safety is a high priority. I should be wearing gloves and eye protection, but I'm not. And the contents of our can are now empty. We'll let that sit for about half an hour. And Then we'll come back, put the temperature sensor back in and start it up. Our half an hour is up, so we'll put the temperature sensor back in and start it up and see what happens. Now for the moment of truth. Started, that's good. There should be a whole heap of crap coming out of the exhaust. We'll go have a look. That's better.